For this irreversible change, we're going to need a teaspoon of cornstarch and dip it into a jar. Then we're going to add half a cup of hot water. After that, we'll mix it. For the next step, we're going to have to pour this into a coffee filter to filter it out so we don't have any leftover cornstarch. This will take a tiny bit. After the filter's done, it may take a while, but after it's done, we want to add a small bit of hydrogen peroxide. After this, we will mix it together. I'll mark this mixture as part B. After this, we'll start making part A. For part A, we'll be mixing vitamin C powder with water. If you have tablets, you can crush them up and mix it with the water. You need a teaspoon of vitamin C. We'll dip it into the water. Now we will mix it with the spoon. Finish mixing, we will filter it through a coffee filter. This may take a tiny bit. Once you've done filtering the vitamin C, you're going to add depends how big your iodine bottle is. If it's small, a whole bottle, but if it's this big, maybe half. Now, you mix, all the colour should go away. As the black iodine just instantly disappears as it hits the vitamin C. And just give it a small mix. After this, you're going to add water. For the next part, we would like to pour part B into part A. When we did this before, we stopped filming because we didn't think it was going to work, and then it changed colour. So we're going to leave it on filming for this whole time. Hopefully you guys get to see it. That is called the iodine clock reaction. It is an irreversible change, and that is what I'll be showing my home learning.